do this. Okay, Trainer Mikey, is Rocky ready? Okay, go Rocky, start the equation for us. Once again, the equation is 10 plus 18. Go Rocky. And Rocky gets the first number correct. How about the second number? After the second number, Rocky? Well, Rocky loves numbers.
Hey, Miss Rocky.
Yeah.
Come on, Rocky. Oh, I think he's calculating. Go, Rocky, you can do it. Okay, 10 plus 18. And he gets the number 8. So, 10 plus 18 is equals to 28. Put your hands together for high beam ako. Rocky, with Trainer Mikey. So this time, I need an adult volunteer with 500 peso bill. Just raise your hand and my co-trainer will pick one. Come on guys, don't be shy. Once again, I need an adult volunteer with 500 peso bill.
I don't have 500.
Come on guys. Well, now let's start in our body bird. Body. Body is also our Mulukan Gaga 2. Scientific name, Gagatuwa polosensis. And butterfly is super. And he gets the money. And flies back. And I think, by the way, donate the money. Around goes for our Donald. Now, before you go, I have a question for you. Did you know that Manila Ocean Park is also a rescue center for birds? No? Well, now you know, and your money will go a long, long way. And we are very grateful. Thank you so much. You can now take your seat and enjoy the rest of the show. How about 1,000 pesos this time? Wala na? Hey ma'am, Ma'am Judy. Excuse me, are you okay? Are you sure? Then why you look so sad? Ma'am, please come back here. We're just kidding. It's just part of the show. Come on, ma'am. Let's return the money, buddy. Ma'am, Daddy is saying something. Before Buddy gives your money back, he wants to give you a kiss. Is it okay? Okay, ma'am. All you have to do is stand right here, face the camera, and offer your cheek. You know? Another one. How about on your hands? And there is your money. Applause for our volunteer and buddy. Please see, we have our homing pigeons. Homing pigeons has an innate homing ability, meaning they will generally return to its nest and mate. I love those small brown guys and our homing pigeons. Here in Manila Ocean Park, we believe there is hope. We only not try to take care of our friends in the sea, but also for those who are in landed air as well. Now, who knows the 3 R's? It's reduce, reuse, and recycle. Very good. So here's all of the bird once again. They're going to show us the proper waste disposal. Go, Rika.
2 times 3 is 3 times 6 is...
See? If our loved ones can do it, by the way, I'm Trainer Mikey, and I would like you to meet my friends together with their trainers one at a time.
On your left side is the eldest female South American sea lion that we have here. And according to her trainer, she is the prettiest. Wow, confident. Her name is Icy, together with trainer JB. Say hi! Now on the other side is the youngest female South American sea lion that we have here. They appear to be flying underwater as they swim from place to place, right ladies? And did you know, they often mistake a seal because they look very much alike. But some differences between a seal and a sea lion is the fact that they have bigger front flippers. And they also turn their back flippers, something seals cannot do. As a result, they can walk upright while on land. And that's a fine demonstration. How about a round of applause for our sea lion friends? And you know what, guys? They have this long and flexible neck. How flexible? Well, check this out. So flexible, right? Another round of applause for our sea lion friends. As you can see, their body is covered with a thin coat of short coarse hair, and the whiskers help the sea lion's sense of touch. They contain nerve fiber, which makes them sensitive. Nice smile. Hey! They also use the whiskers to aid in navigation or to detect vibration from breaking the water. They have small external ears, give them a good sense of hearing, both above and below. Now let's march. Okay, ready? Hop, 2, 3, 4, hop, 2, salute. This time, could you please join our sea lion in a salute? In a count of 3, everybody please salute, and let's make this one loud. People in the crowd, are you ready? Come on guys, I can't hear you. Are you ready? Now let's count 1, 2, 3, salute everybody. Wow, thank you so much. Well, sea lions are also used to search and recover equipment from the water. Okay, cheers, let's go. Who was first? Bang! The rings. Go ahead and get the rings, ladies. And they got it. A round of applause for our sea lion friends. Great job, ladies. And another one, they asked for red. Okay. So trainers, what's next? The ball? How do you think they get the ball? It's a...
Get the ball?
ball balance! Careful! Almost there. Careful! Steady and... fantastic! Oh, applause for our sea lion friends! Wow, maybe she want to say something. Okay, come on, tell the trainer April. And what did you say? We are not yet done, and why? There is one more missing object. Are you sure about that, Ira? Well, let's ask Icy. Hey, Ata, is there one more? No more? I think I would ask the audience to be fair. Hey, guys, is there one more missing object? Are you sure? Oh no, you made Ice so sad. Lagan kayo. Hey, Ira, cut that out. That's bad. Ira, if there's really one more missing object, could you please tell Isis what that is? It's a gun. Are they right, Ira? Well, I think it's a mission for us to search that missing toy gun. Let's go. Vámonos. Let's find that missing toy gun. Let's go. Oops. Is it there, ladies? Nothing? We'll keep on searching. Oh, don't scratch too hard, trainers. Keep on looking. Keep on crawling. Nice crawling, I see. focus on the mission. Now guys, give me update. Let's ask Isis first. Hey Ate, is there one more? No more? Come on, Ira, tell us! And what did she say? She found it! We'll prove it to us! Isis, do you think Ira can find the gun? Let's move it! Let's everybody, come on! Now show them the side by side. And done. Play dancing. Come on, Isis, rock and roll. Into the water ballet. Suicide turn it. Around the world we go. Round and round. And on the other side, round and round. Now gotta show them the boogie boogie dance. Boogie boogie, shake, shake, shake. And for our favorite part, the booty shake. Shake this booty. Come on, trainers. Yabba. Keep on rolling. People on the crowd, ready your camera. Well, this is the best part. Steady, eh? Arriba! And for the finale. Steady, and let's go! Yeah! Alright, close for our dear friends! And for the trainers as well for that great dance number. Sweet! We all hope you enjoy spending your afternoon here at Aquatica with our newfound friends.